Hello, math athletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of inequalities. This is more of a word problem converted to inequalities, we can say. F is given as 100x. The equation above represents Hooke's law, showing how force F in newtons applied to a certain spring relates to the spring's displacement x in meters. It is recommended that the maximum x be between 0.05 meter and 0.15 meter for the spring to operate safely. Which of the following inequalities describes the recommended range for the maximum force for this spring? In Hooke's law, it's talking about in physics there is a directly proportional relationship between the force and the extension. You don't even need to know these physics knowledge, prior knowledge, to solve this question, but for the ones who's interested in, I'd like to show you what's this Hooke's law. You don't need to know this for SAT, by the way. Force and extension here. There is a directly proportional relationship. After that point, there is some points. This graph goes like this. This is called elastic limits. In this specific question, this is what they're talking about. To solve this question, we're going to use this given equation. There are two F forces we're talking about. That's why I would call the first one F1. 100 times 0.05 for the first one. So 100 times, you can either multiply 100 by decimal point, which means that you will be moving decimal point 2 places to the right side. Then you can just say, if I will move this over here, this is gonna be 5. Or for the ones who doesn't know that, I would recommend you to rewrite this as a fraction. 5 over 100, and this is over 100. This cancels each other out. In this way also you can find the value of F1 as 5. To find the value of F2, I'm going to use a different color pen. For F2, we will use the same formula, 0.15. F2 is equals to 100 times 15 over 100. So F2 is, let's cancel each other out, is 15. So our range is between 5 and 15. 5 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than or equal to 15. If you will look at the choices, you're given this, and the choice B as your answer. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. See you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.